Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have three properties for sale located here in Bien Unido, Bohol. The first one is 8,000 square meters, 1.3 hectare, and 2,900 square meters. All are adjacent lots and separate owners. The good thing here is these properties are just walking distance to the boat parking of the fishermen. Parkinganan or dungguanan sa mga mananagat. So, fishermen, dungguanan. So, here, it's a low tide. Okay, but if high tide, it's very nice because of the situation is just a walking distance to the sea, tuol sa dagat. Then here, you can buy directly with fresh fish from the fishermen. Now, here we are at the properties for sale. This one is the 8,000 square meters. It has mango trees and coconut trees. And the adjacent lot of this 8,000 square meters, which is along the shoreline also, but mangrove front, what we call it's in the front of this 2,000. This one is the 2,900 square meters. The front of this 2,900 is already a shoreline, but mangrove. It's a mangrove area. So, daplin yapon siya dagat, pero mga kabakawan lang, mangrove. Okay. So, all are flat terrain. So, very nice. So, here very ideal to have a rest house, a piggery, or whatever. So, this is a very nice. Fresh hangin, fresh air here. So that is the situation, guys. Okay. Now here we go back to the 8,000 square meters. So the 8,000 square meters, as I have said, there are mango trees and coconut trees. Mango trees are around 40 pieces, and the coconut trees are around 50 to 60 pieces. So these are the fruit-bearing trees inside to the 8,000 square meters. Actually, the 2,000 square meters has no choice. It is in front of this 8,000 square meters. Meaning, nababoy na siya. Way agyanan. So, the owner decided to sell their property together with the 8,000 square meters. See? Now, this is the 1.3 hectare or 13,000 square meters. So, this is the adjacent lot of 8,000 square meters. And this property has also so many coconut trees, but already maybe no more fruit bearing. So, because tagas na kayo ba? Layag na. So, maybe you can cut this coconut trees and convert into a lumber. So, wala na yun. So, here, So that is the situation, guys. It's ideal to put some houses here or residence, then still having a livestock farming. Okay, and this is the road. Actually, it's adjacent to the 8,000 square meters. So, very nice. Okay. Actually, electricity is already, that is the electricity post. So, no problem. And the water system is already there. But not yet operated. But the government has already put a line or butangan na og linya sa tubig, so that the residents can get an easier water system. Although you can make a what you call that deep well also. Okay, so this 8,000 and 1.3 is along the road at 250 pesos per square meter. So nakasabot ni sila tag 250. Either you buy 8,000 plus 2,900 or the 1.3 hectare. So at 250 pesos per square meter. Okay, thank you very much and God bless to all. Bye.